Hello, everyone. My name is Olivier, um, Oliver Mizero, and here I'm going to explain this war game that we are supposed to work on for week 6, and going to start a timer so that I use 5 minutes. But yeah, so here I have four. Um, I would say four classes, and the app class has the main method, so that we are going to run the whole game from. But these are the classes that I use in the main method, and so we have card class, day class, and player class, and the card is just simply instantiating the value and the name of the card, which we will use in the deck class, and this is the method to describe it. And in the deck card, we define what the suits are and the ranks, and we um, so we create this list where we put in we populate this this list with the names and the values of for this list. And if you want to get the cards, you can use this getter, and the shuffle method is to shuffle the cards randomly using from the collections. And so this method also has the getters and setters. I forgot to mention that. But the deck also has the draw method. But for the player method, we have different things going on. Of course, the constructor, which is also here and here also. And so in there, we are just saying that the score starts at 0, but we going to increment it. But we also have the getters and setters, and we describe the player's name and the cards that they have. And we also have the increment method, like I mentioned. And this row method, take the card from the deck and add it to the hand, but it's different. The flip method, which flip remove the card and return the card that is at the top from the hand of the player. So moving on, and of course the getters and setters, like I mentioned. But in the up method, um, we have um, we are instantiating the deck for the two players, of course. We're doing the shuffling and the dealing of the cards. So so here I'm using just the even and odd even and odd what I would say positions to make the drawing for each player or to deal them. And I print different print statements to show the different rounds here. And at some point, I increment the score if the value the card one is depending on the value of the card. I increment the score. And sometimes it can be a draw, so no points. And in the end, after the 26 rounds, um, um, then we look at which player has the bigger score. So in this example, as I run this application, you can see the player 2 wins because he has 14 points, and the player one for 14 points, which is like 5 points more than the first player who has 9 points. So that's how the game works, and I think it looks nice. It shows all the rounds and some nice printing statements. So yeah, thank you. That's the end. Thank you.